Car cleaning gel for car cleaning kit, universal detailing, automotive, dust, car crevice cleaner, auto air vent, interior detail removal, potty cleaning, keyboard cleaner for car vents, PC, laptops, cameras, and so on. $6.99. Click on my on the description. Click on the link on my description and purchase it. It's very reliable. Okay, this is what it does. $6.99. Click on my link on the link on my description and order order it. This is what you get. And if you like something different, there's more other stuff, more packages for more prices, whatever. But this one is $6.99. There's more packages for more different prices, but this one is $6.99. Click on the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos, share it, enjoy it, give it likes, and click on the top right of my of this video to look at my other videos. You get more packages for more different prices, and here they are right there. You see that? 13. This is something else. This one is $8.49, $10.99, 11, and so on and so on. And then there's 32 more choices right there, meaning 32 more packages. But this one I got right here, this one is the I believe it might be the gel, a different kit. This one is $6.99. There you go right there. You get that. So $6.99. the gel kit or cleaning kit. Okay, $6.99 to clean the car, to clean keyboards. There you go, clean keyboards right there. Clean just about anything and everything. From Amazon, $6.99. From Amazon. Just here it is, Amazon. $6.99. Click on the description on my link. Click on my link. Click on my description on the link and purchase it. Order it, and then there's more choices you could get right there. 30 more choices you could get right there. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it, give it likes. If you like my videos, leave your reaction in the comments and so on. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments also. And if you have something for me to know about stuff like this, also let me know in the comments. I would appreciate that. All right, thank you very much. Have a nice day. I'll leave you with this, okay? All right, bye-bye. Thank you. There's something like this, a little bit of something. Oh, there we go, right there. See that? From Amazon. That's how you do it. From Amazon. All right. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy, share it, give it likes. Bye-bye. Thank you.